Good morning everyone. We are Group 6 at ang topic namin ay tungkol sa morality and fairness and its relation to the modern system of justice and taxation. Ang goal po ng presentation na ito ay ipakita kung paano ang moralidad at pagiging patas ay mahalaga sa gobyerno lalo na sa batas at pagbubuwis. Ito po ang mga tatalakayin namin. What is morality? What is fairness? The role in justice? The role in taxation, Filipino value, and finial, challenges and realities, conclusion and reflection. So una natin munang tatalakayin kung ano ang fairness at morality.
What is morality? Morality refers to our sense of right and wrong. It guides our behavior and decision making, influenced by culture, religion, family, and conscience in governance. Morality means serving the people with integrity and compassion. Ang morality ay tumutukoy sa tamang asal kung ano ang tama at mali. Ito ay galing sa ating kultura, pamilya, relihiyon at personal na paniniwala. Sa gobyerno, moralidad ang basehan ng paggawa ng mabuti at para sa kapwa, hindi lang para sa sarili. Example, a moral government avoids corruption and protects human rights. Kung moral ang isang leader, hindi siya corrupt. Gumawa siya ng batas na makatarungan.
What is fairness? Fairness means equal treatment and justice for all, no favoritism or bias. Everyone has the same rights and opportunities under the law. Ang fairness naman ay tungkol sa pagiging patas. Ibig sabihin pantay-pantay ang pagtingin sa lahat, mayaman man o mahirap, walang bias, walang palakasan. Sa batas dapat pare-pareho ang treatment sa tao. Example, a fair tax system charges the rich more and supports the poor. Kung mayaman ka man o mahirap, pareho lang dapat ang proseso ng hustisya.
So, natapos na nating i-differentiate ang morality at fairness. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ito sa justice ng Pilipinas. Morality and fairness in justice, a moral justice system. Punishes the guilty, protects the innocent, gives due process to all. Fairness ensure no one is above the law. Everyone has equal access to legal support. Sa justice system, kailangan ng morality at fairness. Ang moral na hustisya ay pinoprotektahan ang inosente, pinaparusahan ang may sala, may due process o tamang proseso. Kapag fair ang sistema, lahat may access sa legal help. Pero sa totoo lang, minsan parang mas may advantage ang may pera, di ba?
Morality and fairness in taxation. Tax are a moral duty to support the nation. Fair taxation means the rich contribute more progressive tax. Funds are used to help the common good. Corruption in the tax is used a moral failure. Ang pagbabayad ng buwis ay moral responsibility ng mamamayan. Pero dapat fair ito. Reflection. Do we feel that our tax are being used fairly? Dapat mas malaki ang buwis ng mamamayan, mayayaman kaysa sa mahihirap. At ang pondo ay dapat gamitin para sa kabutihan ng lahat. Para sa eskwela, kalsada at health center. Pero kapag ang may korupsyon, parang sinayang lang ang mga pera natin.
Filipino values millennials. Katarungan, justice, strong desires for fairness. Pagkapwa-tao, empathy and compassion of others. Bayanihan, shared responsibility including in paying taxes. Hiya, shame, helps discourage corrupt behavior. Utang na loob, respects and responsibility to give back to the nation. Filipino values. Bilang Pilipino, may mga values tayong tinatawag na Filipinyals. Ito ay katarungan o hustisya, pagkapwa-tao, malasakit sa kapwa, bayanihan, pagtutulungan, hiya, ayaw mapahiya kaya iniiwan ang mali, utang na loob, pagbabalik ng kabutihan sa bayan. These values shape how Filipinos view justice and taxation.
Challenges and realities. Corruption weakens moral trust in government. Unfair court system lead to injustice for the poor. Tax evasion and misuse of public funds create inequality. People lose motivation when systems feel unfair. Pero minsan, nasisira dahil sa mga hamon gaya ng korupsyon, hindi patas na batas, mahirap magtiwala kapag hindi transparent ang gobyerno.
Key question to reflect on. Are our justice and tax system morally guided? Are citizens treated fairly regardless of wealth? How can Filipino values help improve your system? Bilang pagtatapos, ito po ang ilang tanong na pwede natin pag-isipan. Moral ba ang isang sistema ng batas at buwis natin? Pantay ba ang trato ng bawat Pilipino? Paano makakatulong ang Filipino values sa pagbabago? Conclusion. Morality and fairness are the foundation of just governance. Justice and taxation must serve all, not just a few. Filipino values and strengthen public trust and accountability. Let's aim for a makatao, makatarungan at makabansang pamahalaan. Ang gobyerno ay dapat makatao, makatarungan at makabansa. Kung susundin ang morality at fairness, magiging mas maayos ang hustisya at paggamit ng buwis. Maraming salamat po.